Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a bit of cruising. I'm driving up and down Madera Canyon, and although that road isn't on the list of America's scenic byways, I'm going to put it in my playlist of those roads because I liked it so much, so I think it deserves it. Now let's start by fast forwarding through this part here. It's not all that interesting, but I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what it looked like before entering the canyon. Now this is recorded in beginning mid-March, and I have a tendency to overplan everything, so I was googling for the weather forecast and what it would be like in the beginning of March. And even though this is southern Arizona, almost at the border to Mexico, they do get snow up there from time to time, and since I was driving on white summer sports tires, I figured that it wouldn't... I chickened out, let's just say that, and ended up staying in Green Valley instead of renting one of the places up there, and I regret that now, but oh well. So if you want to have a quick look at this road instead, and perhaps the places I considered staying, have a look at my day 4 of my travel vlog, and I mentioned the places I had a look at. Now, if you do choose to stay up there, note that apparently you can't get dinner and lunch, and you have to bring your own food, and I wouldn't have minded that, since at this point of the trip I was kind of tired of restaurant food anyway. Now the question is, why would you want to go there except for the scenery? Well, I know there's hiking trails there, so that's one thing, and it's one of the top places to go bird watching in the US apparently, so it has that going for them. Also, I did see a sign for a mountain bike trail at the bottom of the canyon, but I can't tell you if it's any good actually. Now the final thing I'm going to mention here is make sure to watch out for the birds on the road, as you can see on the way up, and especially on the way down. I did encounter a few of them, so be mindful of that. So that's all I have to say about this video. If you want the short version of driving up and down here and check out the places I considered staying at, take a look at day 4 of my travel log, or perhaps check out the entire series if you want more from Arizona and the area, and perhaps places to visit and things to do on your vacation. And if you like traveling and driving up and down long roads, there's my series about America's scenic byways, where I try to expand on every year. If you think this video didn't suck completely, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And well, if you think it sucked, you can always give it a thumbs down. Also, you should consider subscribing, since it's free. It's not going to cost you anything. And I'll shut up now and put some music on so you can enjoy the rest of the road. Until next time, have fun on the interwebs.